Hey everyone, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy. If you're going through some stressful times, some tough times, what do you do? Do you wait for things to calm down? Like, how everything now is going, everything's getting crazy with the virus, with, politics, with, all these natural disasters happening. Do you do you wait for things to calm down, or do you create your own calm? A lot of people, they wait for things to calm down. Like the saying goes, this too shall pass. And I've, said that also. But I like to take a more a proactive approach to that. I like to create my own calm because, let's say, for example, like with this, with COVID-19, we don't know how long this is gonna keep going. And if I'm gonna wait for things to naturally pass and keep my stress level up high all these times, and for the we don't know how long, I'm gonna be very, very unhealthy. So I like to take a more proactive approach. I like to create my own calm, and this is what I want to share with everyone. I want I want you to think about this, and you give it a thought and try this. How do you create your own calm? For me, I want to share with you the top three things that I actually do that have helped me get my stress level down and help me enjoy, life, even though we're in the midst of, a lot of, crises. First is I exercise. I've been I have not exercised in a long time in the past, and I've been exercising more consistently, actually since last year. Um, and that has helped me really be in a better mindset. And not only that, physically, it helped me get into, one of the best shapes I've been in my whole life. So exercise is one. Second one that I like to recommend to you is journaling, because it helps you, keep track of things, get your clear, some negative thoughts in your mind. And not only that, when you're journaling, I want you to focus on gratitude, because it just puts you in a right frame of mind, it puts you in a better mindset. So I always lead off with gratitude in my journaling, in my day, and even in the staff meetings that we hold in the office. And it really helps a lot. It's very powerful. And the third is meditation. A lot of people, they find meditation very hard, but you don't have to perfect it. You can practice it first. Take a few seconds of, take a few seconds off your day to just deep breaths. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Just deep breaths. Start with that, and then you can progress to closing your eyes, thinking of happy thoughts, or calming thoughts. Or audio meditation also helps. Guided meditation, it gives you instructions on how to get into that level of your mind is calm, to control your mind. So try those things that I mentioned, and I want you to be able to create your own calm even in the midst of everything that's happening, rather than wait for things to calm down on its own. All right? So let me know how that works for you. I'd love to hear them in the comments below. I'll see you next time.